Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the first series of hybrid muscle building.
Okay.
I'm here with Chin. He is a power builder. Chin, tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay, so hi guys, my name is Chin. I'm also a CEO of Hero Athlete here in Thailand. So me and Ricky, we came up with an idea that we're gonna do some collaboration together, and it's called a hybrid muscle building series. So this series is gonna be endless of technique for you guys. So we're gonna do mostly is strength training that you can build strength and mass. Also, it's gonna burn shitload of calories for you guys.
There we go.
And it's a lot. Actually, it's a lot of technique. You can see when you go through our series. Actually, that we actually change a lot of training style of each training session because it's so much technique that you can use to do the hybrid muscle building actually.
That's awesome. That's so good. So today is our first episode. Make sure you give this guy a follow. All his stuff is down the bottom. He's got a YouTube channel. He's absolutely killing it. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. So what did we train on this first day, Chin?
Okay, the first day I think we start off with back training session, right? So the back training session here is we training in the Samyang gym Rama 9. So this is a new gym. It just opened. I think this is the second day that they just opened. Because it's absolutely like private gym. Not much people knowing that yet. But this is the third branch of the chain. It's pretty cool. They have a swimming pool here also. And the gym, damn, you look at that. The column is like a Greek style. It's cool.
It was so cool because we were like the only ones there, so we had it completely to ourselves.
So I will start with some of the rotator cuff warm up and some stretching before we go to the back movement. Like firstly, I think we do some pull down.
Here we go.
The pull down is a plate load machine, a hammer strength. This is cool movement also. It's like it works both of your lat like. Different.
And what's good about this one is it's you've got each hand by itself. You're not depending on one hand more. Right?
So it's more like each side is equally.
Unilateral, right?
Unilateral. I think we did like every exercise we did 3 sets of 12 or 15. So this is for you guys like 3 sets of 12 to 15. And back they have so much angle to hit, so we do like 6 exercises for that.
And this one here is the high row?
The high row. And I try to not using any momentum. And this is good technique also, like holding the movement.
So what I'm trying to do here is do sort of more pause reps. And it's not really a big pause, but it's just to get that squeeze at the end of it, at the end of the muscle contraction, to put in that extra work. But again, hitting similar muscles to the lat pull down, just a different angle, right?
Just different. It's more like it's help thickening your back, like upper part more, because like the tension is mostly go to the upper area of your back, and I'm trying to get like a full stretch also.
I love this one. This one was good. This one was good.
No, the best thing here is the lighting.
Like, this one makes me look even bigger, but wait till you guys see Chin jump on this. It's just insane.
The lighting is sick here, and this is very good movement also. We hardly can find this machine, right?
Exactly.
Like this machine.
Look at him, look at you.
It's like, man, it's like bubbling up. Actually this movement is very good because it's chest support. And it's very stable for your back. You don't need to do like a
you're not swinging, right? You're isolating the back muscle, which is good, and you're building that thickness in your back, which is really good. So again, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps.
12 to 15. So it's we focus a lot on like pulling the elbow back as far as possible
and letting it stretch right out to exactly.
And then we jump to the you guys can see the pool over there. It's a cool, like clean. Next time we're gonna jump into that.
The pool's good.
Alright, so the dumbbell row, this one I do standing and I do both arms together.
So this is slightly different to the T-bar row, right? If you don't have a T-bar at your gym, you can do these.
Yeah, you can do
which
this.
are quite similar,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
it's important to try it not swing, right?
Yeah, exactly. But with the dumbbell, you can go like a deeper stretch.
Yeah.
Much deeper stretch here.
Yeah.
And try to focus on the lat and the rhomboid. I think it's also a lot of good core, core muscle training also.
Yeah.
So it's like it's a very compound movement.
Yeah,
actually.
right.
Use
And
your
that's why I
bicep.
love free weights.
Yeah, the free weight is like it's cool. And it's actually it's safe because if you cannot do, you just drop it.
Yeah.
Already.
And then what are we doing here, Chin?
Underhand barbell row. Nothing too heavy, like too crazy, like 5-10 plates each side, just like the weight that you can control.
We're just focusing entirely on form and volume, right? So
Yeah.
we're just trying to get those reps in and focus on squeezing the muscle.
The form is the most important thing. I tell you why, because if your form is sucks and you do 20 reps, you're gonna get 20 sucks reps.
Yeah.
But if you got a good rep, good form, you're gonna get 20 perfect reps.
Yeah, see, form over weight every time.
Everything.
Now, what is this one? Because we haven't seen too many of these machines.
Not too much. It's a pull-over machine. I think in Thai we have like only it's less than 10 gyms in all over Thailand that have this machine. Oh, I like this variation. Like you feel better, right?
Yeah, no, I found it better because I could squeeze the lat a lot more than having my hands close together. I could actually squeeze it, but again, it was really awkward to do. I usually do it with a bar, but on the
cable,
pulley,
right?
on the cable. But still, a really, really good exercise. If you guys should try it if you've got it.
Yeah,
at
if
home.
you have a chance, just try
Yeah.
it. And so that's wrap up our
Yeah.
back training session.
So how many exercises was that?
Six exercise with 3 sets each, 12 to 15, and we focus on the form mostly. Nothing about heavy weight.
Yeah, because that's the thing, guys. If you're wanting to build muscle, you focus on form and you focus on reps and get that volume in, and that's what we're doing a lot of in the series. We're doing a lot of volume training. We're gonna do some power.
Yeah, we're gonna do
strength
some.
too.
Yeah, we're gonna do everything possibly to get that bigger muscle stronger also. All right, cool.
Awesome.
And that's it.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check Chin out on his Instagram, YouTube, descriptions in the box. If you have any questions about this workout that we did, just hit us a message, comment down below, and also check out Samyang Gym as well. I'll link their stuff in the description box.
See you guys. See ya.